Can you bear to hear the story of an orphan child whose beloved father looked at her so tender and mild? Now she lays all by herself, nobody there by her shrine. Put your heads down, let me take you to a different time. Take me away from this world and to heaven's door. I want to be with you, Baba, forevermore. Baba, come back to me, Baba. 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 How can I live in this world without you, Baba? Why did we come to this land of Gobobala? What does it mean, Baba? What does it mean when they say I'm an orphan now? They say the daughter of Husayn has no father now. What did I do? Where are you? Please come back, Baba. Don't leave me here in this place. Take me home, Baba. Baba, come back to me, 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 Baba. Come back and see what they did to your girl, Baba. They slapped my face and they burnt my little dress, Baba. They burnt our tents and they stole all of our things, Baba. They took my veil and they ripped my earrings, Baba. They beat my aunts and they chained my sajjad, Baba. They have no shame and no heart, they're so cruel, Baba. Baba, come back to me, 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 Baba. Ammu Abbas will bring water from the banks of Furat. This is his word and I know he won't break my heart. Where is he now, Baba? How can we stay apart? Why has he not returned? Where is my Ammu, Baba? If my Abbas was here, he would protect me, Baba. Where is his flag? Why does it not fly anymore, Baba? Baba, come back to me, Baba. 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 Baba, where is Ali Asghar? Where did you take him to? Baba, his lips were so dry, but he could not tell you. And yet he smiled as he went to the battlefield. Our mother's pain is so deep, it will never heal. She said they shot him through the neck. Why, oh why, Baba? What could a 6-month little child do to them, Baba? Baba, come back to me, Baba. 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 There was no hand to hold walking across that desert. You were not there to hold me and to quench my thirst. There was no kiss to soothe me, Baba, when I was hurt. To wipe my tears, Baba, I could not find your shirt. I look for you, but I can't see you anywhere. but then I see your head carried upon a spear. Baba, come back to me, Baba. 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 Salawat.